Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to make live wallpaper using magic fluids on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go. Okay, so all we need to do is click Play Store, then go to search and look for magic fluids. Click it, then I will use the magic fluids Lite. So let's install it and wait for it to install. As you can see, it installed. Let's open it. Let's consent. Then, as you can see, that's how the wallpaper will look like. But okay, if you want to change it, you press this gear icon and select the wallpaper you want. For example, let's select this one. Okay. If you want to use this wallpaper, you go here on these three lines and click Set as Live Wallpaper. Let's click Yes. Set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. Okay, let's go off the app. As you can see, it works. And lock screen. As you can see, it works too. Thank you guys for watching, have a good day and goodbye.